Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to Business Communication class and class 40. My dear students, I told you in the last session only we are about to finish the syllabus. That was the fifth module. Okay, in the fifth module we discussed about the application letters and the interview, types of interview. Okay, and then biodata, that is difference between CV, biodata, okay, resume we have discussed. And then here there are some copies of some examples of writing application, covering letter and CV. Okay, so these are the examples, please go through this. Okay, so you can see here there is a question is write an application in response to the advertisement appeared in Daily classified as wanted young lady, okay, graduate to work as a lecturer. So my dear students, this is an example of how to write the application letter. Okay, so as I said, writing, this is an application in response to the newspaper wanted young lady graduate to work as a secretaries for a large tele network organization. Apply with particulars to box number 09393 Deccan Herald, MG Road, Bangalore. Okay, so here this is an just a question like this questions you will get in for your exams. Okay, so the single letter form, that is full block style. Fully blocked means here fully blocked forms, all left hand side. See, you can see here two address is written left side, dear salutation is written left side, subject, reference, and paragraph also started from left hand side. Okay, this is just an example, my dear students. Like this you have to write in your exam, so you will get 15 marks questions on this. Here dear sir, from, that is Mrs. Geeta Latha, Navnagar, Athani, district Belgaum, and then which is written in 17 November 16. This is just an example I am showing you. Okay, and to whom? To the advertiser, box number 09293 Deccan Herald, Bangalore. Okay, so how to write application format, that I am showing you here. So application for the post of secretary in your telenetwork organization. So reference means how you come to know that there is a recruitment. So what you are going to say, what you are going to refer here, your advertisement appearing of Deccan Herald, a daily dated 16th November 2016. Okay, so next is paragraph, means detailed information. I am a commerce graduate of Karnataka University, Dharwad. I got graduation in April 2009, specializing in taxation and costing. I therefore joined ICFAI Hubballi and completed 2 years course MBA in Executive Secretaryship. At the same time, I completed typing and shorthand. Okay, and then after that, it is continued part is here. Next is what? I can carry out independent correspondence to and can type at a speed of 70 words a minute. In shorthand, I can take down 110 words per minute. So I have completed my project in one of the marketing organizations while in MBA, and now the secretary's work of such an organization. My favorite hobbies are drawing, sketching, designing. Right from my school days, I was in one or other way active, on the other way active leader of students group and debating union and cultural association. I have enclosed with this application the copies of testimonials duly attested along with the certificate of character from the principals where I studied and two local known respectable persons. I shall appreciate the opportunity of an interview so that you may furnish you with more details. Thank you. Yours faithfully, signature of Geeta. Enclosure 5 Xerox copies of testimonials. Okay. So what happened here? Here the main thing is what they have written, their experience they have written. She has written, and where she worked, and in which area she is specialized. Okay, and then she has written about her hobbies, and she has written about her the uh, extra qualities, means how she is expert, how she is interested in working, why she is interested in working, how she can make effort. Okay, how she can put her effort, like this thing she has written. So while writing the, this is an application, while writing the application form, of course everybody has to do like this only. So let us move to the next one. Here once again one more application letter is there. So what is that? Write an application for the post of senior manager of a software company. An advertisement of the same appeared in the Business World fortnightly. Okay, so where it is appeared, how you come to know that? There is a recruitment, there is a requirement, so you saw the advertisement in a newspaper, so you come to know. Okay, this is one. Here we have to write the covering letter first. So what is the covering letter? Covering letter and application is just give the same meaning. Okay, so same one, application and covering letter. So address is written here, from address and to address. From is Mr. Stephen Anali from Jaipuram, Bangalore, and then to the Managing Director, Project International Company, High Tech Park, 3rd IT area, Hyderabad. Okay, so subject is application for the post of senior manager, and reference is where, from where we get this news. Okay, so your advertisement in Business World fortnightly, dated 15/30 November 16. So like this is again one of the covering letter. In the previous covering letter we have it was very like very clear. So in this covering letter they have just seen they said that your advertisement for the manager in the above referred weekly caught my attention, since your requirements closely equally to my classification and working experience. I should like to be considered for the post, which sounds interesting and challenging. So his strength, he is telling, as the enclosed CV as the enclosed CV indicates, I have more than 15 years of experience in all the phases of software development. For the past 7 years, I have supervised a workforce of 175 people. I should be very happy to discuss this in more detail with you. So you can reach me at either of the given phone number, and I would be available for interview on any Sundays. So directly he mentioned what he have and what when he is free. This is also one of the type of application, and with this he has attached the CV, that is curriculum vitae. So my dear students, just go through the CV, how the CV is to be prepared. Name and address they have written, residential address they have written, office address they have written, phone number they have written, nationality, date of birth, education, employment, and present employment, and presently where he is working, experience, again experience. Okay, so like this they have written. So this is one of the format of the CV, the simple CV it is. Okay, let us go to the next CV, a specimen CV it is. For your reference purpose I have given to you a specimen resume. So here Mr. Name you have to write, email and phone number, like this. And this is one of the modest and more modern, we can say modern CV nowadays. Career objective, summary of skills, technical expertise. Okay, means where, which area you are expert. An academic profile is here. Okay, so this is regarding date and signature at the end. This is regarding the CV. And the next one is letter of interview. So after once you send the CV, you may get back the interview letter. So interview is a appear before the board of the interview to face interaction. And these letters should be precise and brief and should specify the exact place, date, and time of interview. It may also include matters regarding production of testimonials, payment, non-payment of TA, etc. Okay, so this is an interview letter. Here, just you can go through this. It's an example. Project International Company, and to Stephen and Ali, because we are continuing with the previous letter. So to the candidate they are writing. So what is the subject here? Interview for the post of senior manager. Okay, so they are sending the interview letter with reference to your application dated 22nd November 16 for the post of senior manager. Please present yourself for personal interview before our board in the chairman's chamber at the above mentioned address on Saturday 31st December 2016 at 10:30 am. Please bring with your original certificates and testimonials to be produced at the time of interview. So no traveling, that is TA allowance or DA, will be paid for attending the interview. But in case of selection, first class railway fare will be paid for joining your duties in the organization. Very good. So this, it depends upon the organization. Usually no organizations give the PADA to the candidates. So one more interview letter is attached here. You just go through this. I will send the notes. I will send this PDF form to you people later. Okay. So this is again the same continued. Next is letter of joining. Letter of joining you can see from Stephen Ali and Ali's only to the manager. Gentleman he is written. Usually we write this dear sir, dear madam, but here they have written gentleman. Joining report. With reference to the above cited subject and references, I am happy to report to my duties as a senior manager in the marketing department today on 20th January 2017 at 11:35 am. Further, I wish to state that I assure you of my best dedicated services for the prosperity of the company and extended cooperation to everyone in this endeavor. Okay, so this is regarding the joining report. Again, this is resume. So I will send you this PDF form to you. So you should just go through this PDF later. Okay, so this is these all are the CVs only, formats of CVs only. Please go through this. Okay, so I hope you get this. And next I am going to share with you a question paper. I'm going to discuss with you a question paper as well as some examples of the purchase letter, sales letter, return letters, quotations, and reply letters. Okay, adjustment letters, complaint letters, like this. So please go through this. You will get this type of questions for 15 marks in your exam. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you one and all for listening.